Hello, welcome to Easy English Feelings, a podcast for people learning English.
We use easy words to talk about our day. We talk about how we feel.
I am Anna.
And I am Ben. Today, we talk about feelings.
Yes, feelings. We will talk about happy, sad, tired, and more.
We will speak slowly. Let's start.
Ben, let's start with the most important question. How are you?
I am good, Anna. Thank you. How are you?
I am happy. The sun is out. I like the sun.
Me too. The sun makes me happy.
Let's practice the question. Listen, everyone. How are you? This is how you ask about feelings. You can say it to a friend, to your family, to anyone.
Now, let's practice some answers. I will say them. You repeat after me. Ready? I am good. I am happy. I am okay.
Great. Okay means you are not good and not bad. You are in the middle. It is a very useful word.
Yes, sometimes I am just okay, and that is fine.
Now let's learn more words for feelings.
Okay, sometimes I do not sleep well. In the morning, I feel tired.
Tired. Yes, that is a common feeling. Repeat after Ben. I am tired.
And sometimes something bad happens. I feel sad.
Sad. It is okay to feel sad. Repeat after Anna. I am sad.
Now a different feeling. Before I take a test, I feel nervous.
Nervous is like a little scared. Your heart beats fast. Repeat after Ben. I am nervous.
And one more. When I wait for a long time, I feel annoyed.
Annoyed is a little angry. Not big angry, just annoyed. Repeat after me. I am annoyed.
Good job. Let's say them all together. Repeat after us. I am happy. I am tired. I am sad. I am nervous. I am annoyed.
Wonderful. You know many feeling words now.
Anna, let's tell a short story. A story about feelings.
Okay. A story about my friend Tom. It is Monday morning.
Monday morning. How does Tom feel?
Tom wakes up. He feels very tired. He drinks coffee. Now he feels okay.
Good. Then Tom goes to work. The bus is late. He waits for 20 minutes.
Oh, no. Now Tom feels annoyed.
Yes, but then the bus comes. Tom goes to work. His boss says, "Good job, Tom."
Wow, Tom feels very happy now.
After work, Tom plays soccer with his friends.
He runs a lot. After soccer, he feels tired again, but he is also happy.
See, in one day, Tom felt tired, okay, annoyed, and happy.
Feelings can change, and that is normal.
Now, let's practice a small talk, a small conversation.
You will be person A. I will be person B. Listen.
Hello, Maria. How are you?
Hi, David. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am tired today, but I am okay.
See? It is easy. Now let's try another one. Good morning, Ben. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Anna. I am a little nervous today.
Oh, I'm sorry. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you.
When someone says, I am nervous or I am sad, you can say, I am sorry. It is kind.
Yes, it means you care.
Now it is your turn. We will ask you a question.
How are you feeling today?
Did you answer? Good. Maybe you said, I am good or I am tired. Any answer is good.
Remember to ask your friends, how are you?
Let's review the words we learned today. Repeat after us.
Good. Happy. Okay. Tired. Sad. Nervous. Annoyed.
Excellent. You did a great job today.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Feelings.
Remember, it is okay to have all these feelings.
We will talk again soon. Goodbye.
Bye.